Hey everyone, this is Michael Tritthart, International Technology Instructor. Want to let you know about a Zoom opportunity that is coming up. I'm going to be doing Smarter Business with AI from Leads to Loyalty, and that's going to be on Tuesday, March 17th from 11 a.m. to 1 p.m. Central Time. Now, this is a private event in person, but Zoomers, you can join us. It's $25 to join. I'm going to walk you through all the things that you need to do from an AI point of view to become very, very effective in your business. Real easy, applicable techniques. This is going to be hosted by the Global Women's Empire. That again, it's a private event in person, but all Zoomers, you can join us. $25 for the 2-hour session. We will see you guys very soon on March 17th. Thanks. Hey everyone, this is Michael Tritthart, International Technology Instructor. Want to let you know about a class that I have coming to Denton, Texas on March 18th. This is from 10 a.m. to noon. There is a Zoom option on this as well too. And this is Lead to Loyalty, the AI Growth Bundle for real estate agents. I'm going to walk you through all of the amazing tools that are out there from an AI point of view that you can easily implement into your business. Now, this class is going to be hosted in person by Amy Henshaw with Title Resources. This is going to be in Denton, Texas, but you guys can also join us via Zoom. So I look forward to seeing all of you very soon on Wednesday, March 18th. Thanks.